Hi friends, I am Dr. Virendra Kumar. I practice in Bangalore for last 25 years. I'm presenting a paper in ISY 2019 Mumbai for the conference, and my topic is basal and cortical implantology, cutting edge clinical and practical technique. So I want you to attend this particular presentation because using this technique, we have two important things to convey to you. One is utilization of a dense cortical bone which is resorption free, infection free, and it can bear the load for the immediate load implantology. And secondly, to approach this particular bone, we need to have different design implants. I will also be talking about the different design implants. I will present various cases how we have been doing this for last 8 to 9 years. And I welcome you all for the 26th ISY conference Mumbai. I thank dentistchannel.online and also ISY team for this opportunity. And the theme of the ISY 2019 Mumbai conference is the perfection in tertiary dentition. Friends, I will see you in Mumbai 2019 ISY conference. Thank you.